Welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel, we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Yo, sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. I would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey, new family, I see y'all coming in. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get right into it. I was having a conversation with one of my friends, and she was talking about, hey, sis, like, what do you think about rose? And I was like, oh, I love rose. And she was like, oh, I just feel like it's just too mature for me. And she was like, I know you're the fragrance girly around here. She was like, what are some of my recommendations of roses? Well, I said I have plenty of videos on my channel that I've talked about different rose fragrances, but I don't know how long ago it was. So I'm just going to give you my quick picks, okay? For now, my top 5 that I do enjoy a good old rose fragrance that you might want to check out. So first up, if you're into a fruity rose but has some white chocolate in it, I would highly suggest this beautiful white chocolate rose of a fragrance, and that is More Infinite. From Navatus in partnership with BAI the Great. When I say, oh, it's so good. It's so good. And you know what? This fragrance, I feel like as it sits, it's one of those. Yeah, you said it. It just gets better. It just gets better. I don't know. I don't know if the juices are flowing together and it just roams together, but this is so good. So I would recommend if you are into or trying to get into rose, right? Maybe you're not into it yet. You're trying to dip your little pinky toe into it. This is one that if you like a sweeter, fruitier rose, like if that's kind of your profile, you already like a sweet, fruity type of, notes, but you like maybe a chocolate note in there, especially white chocolate. I would definitely highly recommend this. This is such a fantasy fragrance for me. I feel like this is so pretty girl, tutus, but still depth, right? I don't feel like this is like too pretty girl rock where you can have this like diva-ish to it. Like this boss babe-ness to me. This is so good and beautiful. I enjoy it. I enjoy it down. So chef's kiss. If you're looking for something like that, this would be the perfect fragrance for you. Next up, the one that I call Baby Delina. It has lychee in this. It's got me a whole bunch of compliments. You all know I love this fragrance, and that is Angel Nova from Mugler. This is so pretty, okay? Like compliments galore. There's never a time where I don't get compliments. I am like swivel juice. Like you talk about a dent. Yeah, I'm almost out of this. I travel with this so much. Anytime I travel, I'm bringing my Baby Delina. I'm bringing Angel Nova because she is so fresh and it's just so good. It's so good, so fruity, but that rose in it, it's like a fresh rose and it's so pretty. So many compliments. Again, never a time I have not gotten compliments on this. Like this is so pretty, okay? So if you're looking for a rose fragrance and you're trying to get into it, I would absolutely start. Like I got this recommendation from you all. You know the story, okay? That's where this came from. And I am hands down a lover girl of this. Like such a fan, fan all day with Angel Nova, okay? It will always be in my collection for sure. Next up, oh man, when we talk about rose and I talk about a beautiful rose, I have to include something that has a juicy pear. Like, do you know me? Have you been here before? If not, it's okay. I love a good pear scent, okay? And this is so pretty. I think Kayali's, okay? Now, I do have to read it. Floral Majesty Rose Royale. I have to read the bottle because it's such a long name. But Rose Royale is just so, like it's sexy, but soft. there's a note in this, and I don't know if it is I think it's the violet wood. I think it's the violets in this, that there is this like piece of twang or this uniqueness in the fragrance that still is beautiful, but it has a uniqueness. Again, I think it's the violet rose or maybe the purple musk. I don't know. Okay, I don't know. But it is so, I can't even describe it. It's like a powdery fresh, but not too powdery. I can't explain it. You just have to try it, test it. It's just something in this. I don't know if it's at the dry down, but like even when I smell it right here, I can smell it. It's like, it's not so, it is rose. Like, let's not get it twisted. It's floral, okay? Hello, it's a floral. But like the juiciness of the pear just makes it delicious, but there is something that sits in there that's like a powdery pinch. It's like a powdery pinch. It's like somebody pinching you and like, smell me. I don't know. It's so unique. I love this down. And if I were somebody trying to get into rose or the note of rose, and maybe I'm not into it, I would try this and see if you like it. And it also gives, again, a uniqueness, right? So I feel like you're going into rose and you're stepping your whole foot in because it has a unique sense to this. I love it. I don't know about you all. Comment down below. Let me know. But I adore this. I would recommend this. If you ask me, what rose fragrance can I wear, sis? I would read the name Floral Majesty Rose Royale, but I would recommend this for sure. Next up, this luxury bomb of a rose, like probably one of the most luxury rose fragrances I have in my collection. Warm, spicy, coriander's in this, like vanilla, of course, is in this. So good. And you talk about compliments, diva, like rich girl, like rich boss, rich, however you want to say it, okay? Rich, however you want to say it, you know. This is amazing. Hands down, and it's not like unique where you're like, it missed me. Like I can't get into it because it's so unique, but it is so beautiful. And the essence of this, it's just rose and it's watery, but beautiful, and sweet, but beautiful. It's so good. I know. Okay, moving on. Okay, introduction done. Prodigy. You all knew what I was talking about. Come on. Prodigy Mind Games. Introduce you to rose. Luxury rose in a bottle. Like Queen Bee. I mean, this is so perfect, okay? This is like top on the list. If you have the budget to spend, the budget to blow, and you're like, no, I want something the best of the best, hands down, like you still care about the price because we're not going too crazy, but you're like, you don't mind spending a coin on a rose fragrance that you're trying to get into. Prodigy Mind Games. Like, I don't know who would not enjoy this. Like, unless you like I think if you try this and like, this is your test of not liking rose. That's what I'm trying to get to. Like, if you try this and don't like it, then you don't like rose. Like, it is evident you don't like rose fragrance. You're never going to probably get into rose right now until, you know, you do some nose development, whatever that is. But you might not really like rose. Like, this might not be the list for you at all. Because this rose, you say you don't like it, to each his own, but I'm like, why? So comment down below. Tell me why. Clue me in. Because this is so pretty, like, and classy, and money, like luxury. I don't know what else to say. So if you're looking for a rose fragrance, look no further. Like, if you could spend a coin, spend it on this. This is amazing. Immaculate. Like, this is so good. Okay? It makes me want to cry. It's in my drama self. It is so great. Like, highly recommend you get this beautiful, immaculate, diva-ish rose fragrance in your collection. Yeah, put it on your Christmas list because that's coming up around the corner anyway. You might have a couple of anniversaries coming up too, so put it on the list, sis. All right, and tell me when you get it. Comment down below. And last but certainly not least, a rose fragrance that was created from a man. Like, the concept of this fragrance from a man. So, if you want to know what a man loves in a rose fragrance, this is the fragrance. You're welcome. And that is Navitus. Like, this is back in the day, okay? Idola. I know some of you all are like, ooh, you took it. Back. Okay? From the creation of, I think it's Big Beard Business. Guy, he created this for his wife, I believe. Beautiful. Okay. Beautiful. Okay, so this is Fruity Rose Fragrance. That's all I can say. If you love jasmine, if you love woody notes, vanilla, of course, and rose, and a lot of different citruses, this is so up your alley. Like, this is for you. Now, if you don't like jasmine, I will say, okay? If you don't like that white floral, if you don't like that note, this might not be for you. It might not be for you, and I get it, okay? But if you don't mind the impact of, like, citrus and what citrus and jasmine does, and adding on rose and vanilla, that's all I can say. Like, created from a man. So, yeah, it's definitely an attention grabber. All day, every day. I think I've even seen some people declutter this fragrance. If you ever wanted to smell it, I mean, you might want to go on Macari or whoever and wherever they putting it. Go get this. Go try it. If you trying to dip your toe into rose, but not with like the lychee notes. You know what I'm saying? Like, this is citrus, more peachy, that type of fruit, okay? So I wouldn't even say, like, some people does say, like, it gives you the Lena, but it doesn't have the lychee in it. So it doesn't have that tartness, but I enjoy it. So Idola from Navitus Parfums, like, if you're looking for rose, look no further, baby. Okay, who knows? Okay, moving on. Well, that's all, fam, for my rose list. So if you are interested, maybe you want to check out, if you haven't given a try to rose, like the conversation me and my girl was having, like, I would dip your pinky toe or big toe or put your foot in some of these fragrances and test them out and see if you like them, okay? You might have them in your collection. Let the fam know below how you feel about some of these fragrances, whether good or bad. We all got opinions. Comment down below. Make sure you subscribe. Give me the thumbs up if you enjoyed this content, and make sure that you're good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, yeah, your sis just did. Bye, fam. I love you so much. Bye.